Hello. Wow, it's a lot of you. My name is Minty, and basically I'm a Scrum Master for a company called Visolution over in Swansea. And about a year ago, I was given a talk. It was a bit of a kind of Agile 101 kind of a deal. And as I was giving it, I realized I was kept on using a word. And I used it again, and again, and again. And I've even heard it being used here today in lots of the talks. And I realized that this word was a keystone of what we're doing here. Yeah, you know what it is now. Curse you. And it's about, yeah, that's it. And it's not about that. It's just also about, it's about what we do. It's about how we do it. Most importantly, it's why we do it. This word, obviously, is trust. So, over the last year, I've had a good think about it. I've read a lot about it. Thanks, bud. And I've also had a lot of chats through it with family, friends, colleagues, and all the rest of it. And this is what I found out. First of all, I can tell you what it isn't. Now, if someone says to you, they're going to do something, and then they do it, yeah? That doesn't necessarily make them trustworthy. That makes them reliable, but not necessarily trustworthy. Trust is a foundation of every strong relationship that we have. It starts when we're born with our parents. It goes on and spreads, gives it to your family. You can also give it to your friends, and then if you're lucky enough, you get to give it to your team. And I say give for a good reason. It's because trust is given, not earned. The reason I'm saying this is because lots of people may deserve trust, but it's never given. And some people are given trust, and they have not deserved it. So, what is it? So trust, I think, is a shared set of values and belief which you share with another person. Yeah. But what would it look like in real life? So, small example. You're meeting a friend, okay, at a set time and date you've agreed, okay? And you don't have mobile phone signal, let's say. Now, they don't show up at that time and date. Now, if you trust them, you know there's a good reason why they haven't shown up. In fact, you might even be worried about them. If you don't trust them, it means you think that they might not have done everything within their power like you would have done to get to that time and place. So that's the difference. If they share your values and beliefs, then they would have done everything you would have done. So, why is trust so key to what we do? It's because if we give our teammates trust, they will trust us. And then, if all of us together do it, all of us together trust, we can focus on our shared goals and deliver true value. Thank you.